Have you ever wondered what the secret is to building wealth effortlessly over time? Imagine if there was a way where your money could grow on its own, multiplying quietly in the background while you go about your life. Today, we're diving deep into the world of finance to uncover the powerful magic behind getting rich with compound interest. What is compound interest? Compound interest is the secret sauce of wealth building, where your money doesn't just sit in an account, it works over time. It's not just earning interest on your initial deposit, but also on the interest that grows over time, interest on interest. This magical effect depends on how frequently the interest is calculated, which can be daily, monthly, or annually. The more frequently your interest compounds, the faster your savings grow. With a $3,000 deposit in a savings account, earning 2% interest annually, you'd see your money grow to $6,625 in 40 years. However, if the interest compounds monthly, you'd end up with $6,673, a seemingly small difference, but over time, those extra dollars can add up. Compound interest doesn't just accelerate your savings, it also allows you to start with a smaller amount and still reach impressive totals. The key is patience and starting early. The power of compound interest unfolds dramatically over time, so the sooner you begin, the sooner you'll witness the thrilling growth of your wealth. Start now, set your financial goals, and let compound interest work its magic. Number 1. Start early. The path to wealth begins with a crucial first step, starting early. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to harnessing the astonishing power of compound interest. The earlier you initiate your investment journey, the longer your money has to flourish and multiply. Adil Shetty, CEO of Bank Bazaar, emphasizes, the secret to building substantial wealth lies in the precious commodity of time. Initiating investments early unleashes the force of compounding interest, transforming modest sums into significant assets over the years. Early investors not only establish a solid financial foundation, but also unlock doors to unparalleled opportunities and financial independence. Your future financial prosperity is directly linked to the timeliness of your investment decisions. This approach not only sets you on the path to financial security, but also ensures that your financial future shines brightly with the promise of growth and prosperity. Number 2. Invest regularly. Investing regularly is like planting seeds that grow into a lush forest over time. The secret to harnessing the power of compound interest lies in consistency. Whether you contribute monthly or annually, each investment adds to the momentum, gradually building wealth through the magic of compounding. Imagine each investment as a step towards securing your financial future. By automating your contributions, you not only simplify the process, but also ensure you stay committed to your goals. This disciplined approach not only nurtures your investments, but also opens doors to exciting possibilities as your money multiplies silently in the background. Start small if you must, but start now. With each deposit, you're not just investing money, you're investing in the potential for your dreams to flourish. Number 3. Choose the right investment vehicles. Unlock the doors to financial prosperity by choosing wisely among a plethora of investment avenues that harness the magic of compound interest. Picture opportunities like fixed deposits, mutual funds, public provident fund (PPF), and tax saving schemes, all designed to magnify your wealth over time. Navigate through the labyrinth of risks and rewards each vehicle presents. Craft a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial ambitions and risk tolerance. This isn't just about investing. It's about sculpting your financial future with precision and foresight. Number 4. Reinvest dividends and interest. Unlock the true potential of your investments by harnessing the magic of compounding. Imagine every dollar earned not just growing, but accelerating. Reinvest dividends and interest. Rather than cashing out, let them ride the wave of growth and watch your wealth skyrocket. When you reinvest, you're not just earning interest or dividends, you're multiplying them. It's like planting seeds that grow into entire forests. Each reinvestment fuels the next, compounding your gains exponentially. This isn't just about incremental growth, it's about creating a financial avalanche. Reinvest those earnings and witness the power of compounding transform your investments into a wealth-building powerhouse. Don't settle for ordinary gains when you can achieve extraordinary results. Number 5. Stay invested for the long term. Unleashing the potential of compound interest is a journey that unfolds over time. Resist the urge to cash out early. Instead, commit to the long game. Watch as your wealth multiplies exponentially, fueled by the magic of compounding. Think of compounding interest like a hidden treasure waiting to be unearthed. By staying invested over time, you're not just growing your wealth, but creating a financial legacy that can span generations. Each dollar invested today has the potential to multiply exponentially tomorrow, paving the way for a future where your money works harder than you ever imagined. Remember, patience is not just a virtue here, it's your golden ticket to unlocking substantial financial gains. Number 6. Crack compound frequency. Imagine transforming your investments into a relentless wealth-building machine. While many investments grow slowly with annual compounding, you have the key to unlock faster growth. With options like fixed deposits compounding quarterly or even monthly, your money multiplies at an astonishing rate. Dare to go beyond the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary benefits of compound frequency. The more frequent the compounding, the more explosive your wealth growth becomes. It's not just about numbers, it's about the exhilarating journey towards financial independence. Number 7. Increase investment. As your income expands, think about ramping up your investment game. Fueling your investment portfolio with regular contributions not only speeds up the compounding effect, but also supercharges your journey to building substantial wealth. By continuously injecting fresh funds into your investment portfolio, you're not just planting seeds, you're cultivating a fertile ground for your financial future. Every increase in your investments propels you closer to unlocking the true power of compounding interest, where even small gains can snowball into significant wealth. By consistently increasing your investments, you're not just growing your money. You're unleashing its full potential to create a future that's as prosperous as it is thrilling. Number 8. Stay informed. To thrive in the world of wealth creation through compound interest, you must stay on top of the game. Imagine yourself as a financial detective, always on the lookout for clues in market trends, financial news, and cutting-edge investment strategies. By regularly reviewing your investment portfolio with eagle-eyed precision, you can ensure it remains finely tuned to your unique financial ambitions and risk appetite. Flexibility is key. Be ready to pivot when opportunities arise, allowing you to unlock maximum returns from your investments. Number 9. Seek professional advice. When it comes to building your fortune through the magic of compound interest, the wise seek counsel from seasoned financial advisors. These professionals aren't just numbers wizards. They're skilled navigators in the vast ocean of investment possibilities. Picture having your very own financial captain, charting a course customized precisely to your financial horizons. They'll steer you towards tailored investment strategies that harness the power of compounding interest, ensuring every dollar multiplies and works tirelessly for you. No more uncertainty or second-guessing. With a financial advisor by your side, you'll craft a personalized roadmap to riches. They'll consider your unique circumstances, goals, and dreams, making sure every decision aligns perfectly with your financial voyage. Number 10. Educate yourself. Start by immersing yourself in the fascinating world of financial growth. Dive into books that unravel the mysteries of wealth multiplication. Immerse yourself in seminars where experts unveil the pathways to prosperity. Explore the wealth of online resources waiting to enlighten you. Empower yourself with knowledge because understanding is the key to financial triumph. Equip yourself with the insights to navigate investment landscapes with confidence. Harnessing the power of compounding interest isn't just about investing money, it's about investing in your future. By starting early, making consistent investments, and making informed decisions, you can set yourself up for financial success. Remember, this journey requires patience and discipline, but the rewards are worth it. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on mastering your finances and unlocking the true potential of compound interest. Thank you for watching, and may your wealth grow exponentially over time.